Looking for a graphics card that combines raw power with whisper quiet performance? The PowerColor Red Devil RX 6700 XT might just be the upgrade your gaming setup needs. With blazing fast memory speed at 16 gigabits per second and a digital max resolution of 7680 x 4320, it promises stunning visuals and smooth gameplay for the most demanding titles. What sets this card apart is its innovative cooling system. Thanks to a new triple fan design, airflow and air pressure increase by up to 60%, pushing thermal performance to new heights. The 6 nickel-plated copper heat pipes paired with a vertical aluminum fin array ensure heat is spread and dissipated efficiently, keeping your GPU cool even during marathon gaming sessions. Plus, the copper base directly touches the GPU, improving heat transfer and maintaining optimal temperatures for both the GPU and VRAM. Silent gaming is more than a luxury here, it's built into the design. The mute fan technology automatically turns off the fans when temperatures stay below 60. This means you get zero noise during lighter loads, reducing distractions and power consumption. And with 2 ball-bearing fans that last 4 times longer than standard ones, this card is built for the long haul. Under the hood, the Red Devil RX 6700 XT boasts a 10+ 2-phase VRM powered by a Platinum Power Kit with DRMOS technology. This setup delivers superior power efficiency, lower power loss, and better thermal protection, which translates to more stable overclocking and consistent performance. Dual BIOS lets you easily switch between OC mode for maximum power or silent mode for quieter gameplay, giving you control over your experience. Users in the United States have praised this card for arriving in excellent condition, often better than expected. Clean heatsinks and fans, no cosmetic damage, and flawless performance were common highlights. One reviewer even noted the card was manufactured exactly a year before purchase, confirming its freshness and reliability, all at a price $100 less than retail. If you want a graphics card that delivers on speed, cooling, and quiet operation without sacrificing durability, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 6700 XT is worth a look. It's designed for gamers who demand more than just average performance and are ready to take their setup to the next level. Try it when you're ready to experience powerful, silent gaming that lasts.